Hello and welcome to a new short video about DDT4ALL software and the new function that will be activated today. It's the Audi style on the Renault Kadjar or flashing light inhibitor. For example, when you signalize left, the day running light will be inhibited, will be off. When you signalize right, the other day running light will be inhibited, will be off. For this, I will use the DDT4ALL software again in the demo mode because I am not in the car, but in your case you can follow other videos from my channel with the Renault Megane. For the preparation, the most important step is to press the start button from your car for more than 10 seconds to have the dashboard permanently active. In my case, I will use demo mode. Select our car. HFE Kadjar and go to the UPCMM control panel and look for USM saving before. Double click, open again here in this tab and look for lights tab here. Open lights configuration and now try to locate the day running light inhibition by flasher, and you have to change the 0 parameter in 1, activate the Einstein phase and simply send the writing command. And if you want to revert this function, you have to change this parameter back to 0. And now in our case we remain active, so it's 1 here and also 1 here. After that you must close the program, disconnect the OBD2 interface and lock and unlock your car for 1-2 times and wait few seconds. After that you can check if the day running light inhibition by flasher is active by simply signalize left and right or hit the triangle, the red triangle button, the maintenance car. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful for you and see you soon. Bye bye.